Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to show you how to convert text into picture. Here I typed text and I want to convert it as a picture. First of all, I select this text and then copy. After copy, I enter here is cursor and I click on paste special and here picture. Here I can format it as a picture. I can use any of them, either picture Windows meta file or picture enhance meta file. Okay, I am click here and click OK. And now I click here and now I cannot edit it become a picture and like picture here a picture tools format and I can change it like this or this, like a picture. I can use some colors also or like this, so it converted as picture. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel, like, comment to my video. Thank you for watching my video.